Right. I'll be very honest. I am a bit lazy and I don't want to wake up chasing clients every day like I used to in my agency. It's still there, but I don't do that anymore. Well, I want to create once and let that thing make me money twice, thrice, four times, 100 times. Why? Because I once read in a book, not in a book, it's called Rich Dad Poor Dad. Most of you would have read it by now. And it says, Robert Kiyosaki says, you let money make money work for you and not the other way around. And that's how I always wanted to make it happen via different things. I have tried different things. It was drop shipping, e-com stores. I tried agency model. I tried a lot of things, by the way. But rest assured, it was not happening for me. It was not happening because I could not see money making money for me. All I could see was how miserable I was working 24 hours, 20 hours a day, sometimes 16 hours just to get the operations done, tech done, packaging done, all of the other things except making money. So, making money was always the last part, but I found something that really worked for me. Well, getting to the point, I wanted money to make me money again and again. And if you're even a little like me, are you someone who knows things, can explain stuff, and just has a skill you've repeated more than twice? There's a very simple way to make thousands of dollars, which we are doing right now. And I'm super, super, super grateful. And I don't know how it happened, but I'm glad it happened. Just so you know, it's not drop shipping, it's not affiliate marketing, it's not, selling t shirts, or it's not freelancing. It's simply digital products. Something that has been prevalent from many years, but it just keeps getting updated every now and then. And most people think money is equals to hard work. And sure, in the beginning, you have to make effort, but staying in the trading time for money loop forever is exhausting. That's how I hit burnout in my corporate job, not once, not twice, but thrice. That's when I also really realized I don't want to build a business that needs me every second. I want money to work for me even when I'm asleep. I want to build something once and just let it compound over the time. I still remember the first time someone paid me $7 for a simple PDF. It was a hooks PDF for social media. I created it at 12 midnight. In a few days, I started selling it and I got my first $7 client, which was insane. And to be honest, that $7 felt better than thousands of dollars because I didn't trade my time. I didn't trade my thinking. I just packaged what I knew, and that's something that works, is repeatable, and is valuable. And that's when it clicked. People don't really pay for time. They do sometimes. I mean, that's one thing how you can sell something, but they really pay for clarity. They pay to skip mistakes, save time, and move faster. They pay for all the mistakes that I have made, that I have learned from, all the trials and errors I've done, all the experiences I've got, all the transformations I've been through. And when I package that into a smaller thing, they pay for that. They pay for my time that's gone and is never coming back because I learned something through it. And that's making me money. Why not sell it and make money from it? And while the other person is also interested in buying the stuff that I'm selling because it's saving them time, it's saving them money, it's saving them, I don't know, a lot of headache probably. The laziest and the fastest way to make thousands per month isn't about creating more or again and again. It's about creating once and packaging it smartly and making it evergreen, right? If you know how to cook vegan food, or a lot of vegan recipes, you could create a cookbook of, you can start with 5 recipes, you can go on to 10, you start selling more recipes. You can niche it out and say vegan recipes for moms or vegan recipes for busy dads, something like that. You can just niche it out. You just have to find out, do your market research. That's how you'll get to know your niche. Let's say you want to make extra $3,000 a month, okay? That's just 100 people paying $30 or 30 people paying $100. So what you can create once that can bring that kind of value. We'll just break it down again. Step one would be finding the skill you're already repeating. Ask yourself, what do people keep asking me for? Is it something around how to blow dry my hair or how to do photography? What have I taught someone recently that has changed their game or my game if I've learned something? It could be how to write a cold email, how to plan content for 30 days in less than an hour, how to freelance without using Upwork or Fiverr. Just find that top step. Number two would be package it in a way that is in the easiest available format possible. You don't need to create a course with 40 videos, although that is also doable and very well done in the industry these days. You can start with just 1 hour workshop, a recording, an ebook or a PDF or a Notion template. People pay for simple things, so just keep it simple and help them get a result quickly and more efficiently. Step three would be make the buying process very easy. I say it over and over again, do not complicate anything. Use platforms like systems.io. We use this one. It's been our go to for all our digital products and our clients' digital products. Our students as well use this. You can also use Gumroad or Notion along with Stripe. Make it so that someone can see the product, trust you in a few seconds, and buy it in 2 clicks. Because your product is already priced at a very low cost, it won't be very difficult to sell it in the first few views of your ads or your content. Step number four would be you promote it without being pushy. That is the lazy launch strategy. Make a few short videos, I would say 7 to 10, about the problem you solve, show a transformation or result you got or you helped somebody else. Add a CTA or the link of, if it's an ad, put in the link so they can be redirected to your page, or you can ask them to comment a specific word, let's say guide or ebook. We use ManyChat for that. That would start a DM automation and they would start getting messages. You'll collect their emails. The best part is you need to let digital product make you hundreds while you sleep. And that is so doable. I don't know why a lot of people don't know this yet. It always takes effort in the beginning. I wouldn't lie. We had our own trials and errors, but it's so much simpler now. It is by far the easiest and most efficient ways to scale a business, to scale a skill, and to really make money and be profitable from day one. I know one of my friend who is a creator is making $20,000 a month with just one database they sell to other business owners. A database for Excel. I know a fitness coach making 10,000 a month from 45-minute workshop on meal plans for busy women. So that's very niche. And I know freelancers who have packaged their pitch templates, pricing calculators, onboarding docs, and now that makes more than their actual freelancing gig did. And none of them are full time creators. They have time on the side, they have location freedom, they have financial freedom. They've just documented what they already knew and packaged it in a way and made it buyable. Before it was make money by doing, doing more, making, putting in effort, putting in a lot of hard work. But now you can make money by just thinking once, packaging it smartly, and sharing freely online. Instagram is free. Just make a lot of content on it. And if you've been procrastinating launching your first digital product because it feels overwhelming, I'm giving a sign right now. This is your sign to make it smaller and faster. Just launch it, I would say. Just create an ebook and just launch it. You'll see so many people who would use it, try it. You'll get testimonials for them from them. You can start doing webinars. You can start creating courses after that. It's your sign to just start small. Just start. Really, that's the only thing I would say today. Just start. Here's what I do in the next 7 days if I was starting from zero. Pick one thing you know you're good at explaining. Record a Loom video teaching it. Upload it on Gumroad or Systems.io. Both are okay. I would prefer Systems.io. Make a video saying, here's how I did X without Y being the problem. And you want the full guide, comment below. That's it. You know what? Money loves momentum, and digital products are really the laziest, fastest, and efficient, the most smartest way to build income that doesn't depend on your energy every single day. So just ask yourself, what's that one skill or system you've used recently that others could pay for a shortcut? My motto for the day would be just start. Bye bye.